if you're here for the upcoming coaching that will be happening on the 15th and the 16th, which is what, Friday and Saturday this week, watch this video to the end so that you get all the instructions. Why am I making this current video? A lot of people are saying the link is not working. A lot of people are saying I can't find the channel. A lot of people are saying what should we do? I'm going to clear all those questions. But right now, understand that there are two groups of people that I'm going to be coaching. And I said that for this Friday and Saturday, because I know the magnitude or the quality of what I'm going to be giving out, so it's not something I can exhaust in one teaching. So for those going for graduate, postgraduate, and postdoctoral, those going for this, that's a master's, PhD, and postdoctoral, I'm going to take you guys for 2 days. This is for me to give you another opportunity to ask questions after the first day. The first day, we are going to cover a whole lot. If you watched the previous video I made about the free coaching, you will see where I outlined all the things we are going to do. This training is not restricted to any department or any course. Whether you are in sciences, commercial, arts, medicine, pharmacy, nursing, but you want to go for your master's, PhD, or postdoctoral, this is an opportunity for you. Then if you just had your O-level, or you are a parent to someone that just finished O-level or high school, depending on what your country calls it, because I know I have Indians on this channel, I have Zimbabwe, Ghana, Nigeria. So because of that, I'm trying to make it something that everybody will understand. So if you just finished high school or you just finished secondary school and you want to go for your study abroad by going for like undergraduate level to get a degree abroad, you have your own day. So I am trying to fix your own day. And why will I want to fix your own day? It is because I want to come down to your level to also teach you how to secure admission and scholarship. But the truth is this: if you go through the 15th and the 16th as a person, that's you are going for master's or PhD, and you go through, if you have any younger one that is about to get into the university, with the knowledge you get from this 15th and 16th, you may be able to apply for them. But their own is, I will have to teach them the do's and don'ts of undergraduate application. That's why their own timing is different. So for this 15th and 16th, I am taking graduates, PhD, that's master's, PhD, and postdoctoral. Please check the description box of this video and click on the link to join the WhatsApp channel. It is on that channel that I will drop the link to the closed group where all of us are going to meet, that you'll be able to have an one-on-one access with me, that when you ask question, I'll be able to do what to answer. If you ask me a question here, in the comment section, if you notice, I've been answering it. I don't ignore anybody. Whether I know you, I don't know you, except I have not seen your question, I answer it. But having a group is kind of, I'm going to be having a relationship with you because I want to really know your strengths or where you are struggling. Why am I doing this? I am doing this because it is an opportunity that most of us do not know about. And the fact that I have benefited from it, and I've had others benefit from it. My friends, my colleagues, even my colleague's wife. In fact, I have a colleague's wife that will be coming in this August. People that have benefited from it. So that's why I'm saying this is something most of us don't know. A lot of us pay agents, and the truth is what? No agent is willing to get you a scholarship, because for every admission they get, they have a percentage they are getting for it. So they don't want to get you a scholarship where that the school will now pay, they will not get their own percentage. That's the beautiful thing about this opportunity I am bringing your way. Don't play with it. It is going to happen 8 p.m. Nigerian time. Block your time. If we're going to use 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours to harness, treat it, and you ask your questions and you clear yourself on how to go about it. Even for those, there's somebody that have asked me, what if I don't have money for flight ticket? I'm going to teach you. Come with your computer, not phone. Come with your computer, block your time. I'm going to teach you how to access low interest loans. And with this low interest loan, you can now pay for those your flight ticket or any other thing that you are wondering, how do I, if I get this scholarship, how do I now take care of other things? So it is going to be what? Packed with things that you really need that would help you. Why am I doing this? I want you to benefit what you need to benefit. As an African, some of the opportunities are not presented to us very well, but right now I'm presenting it to you. It is left for you to make use of it. I hope this helps someone. If you know that this is going to help somebody that you know, please send this video to the person. See you in the training.